Hey Newswade fans, you guys are the best. Have you ever wondered what's really in the air you breathe? Imagine if we could see pollution as easily as we see the weather forecast. Well, thanks to a groundbreaking new tool, we're closer to that reality than ever before. Today, we're diving into the world of the tempo sensor, a revolutionary device that's changing how we track air pollution. Get ready to learn how this space-age technology is making our air cleaner and our lives healthier. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the tempo sensor? Tempo stands for tropospheric emissions, monitoring of pollution. It's a high-tech instrument developed by NASA and the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory. This sensor isn't on the ground or even in a plane. It's in space, 22,000 miles above North America. From this vantage point, Tempo keeps a constant eye on the air we breathe. But how does it work? Think of Tempo as a super powerful telescope, but instead of looking at stars, it's focused on our atmosphere. Every hour, it scans the air over North America, creating detailed maps of pollution levels. This is a huge step up from older systems that could only give us daily or weekly updates. What makes Tempo so special? First, it's in a geostationary orbit, which means it stays over the same spot on Earth all the time. This allows for continuous monitoring of the same area, day and night. Second, it collects data every hour, giving us near real-time information about air quality. Third, its high-resolution capabilities let us see pollution patterns in incredible detail. And fourth, it can detect various types of pollutants, including nitrogen dioxide and ground-level ozone. Now, let's talk about why this matters for our health and the environment. Air pollution is a silent killer, causing millions of deaths worldwide each year. With Tempo, we can now pinpoint exactly where pollution is coming from and where it's going. This means cities can take quick action when air quality gets bad, potentially saving lives. Here's a real-world example. Let's say there's a wildfire in California. Tempo can track the smoke as it moves across the country. Health officials in other states can use this information to warn people with respiratory issues to stay indoors. This kind of early warning system wasn't possible before Tempo. But it's not just about emergencies. Tempo's data helps us understand long-term pollution trends too. Scientists can use this information to study how air quality changes with the seasons. City planners can identify areas that consistently have poor air quality and work on solutions. Let's break down some specific ways Tempo's data is being used. In urban planning, cities can now see which neighborhoods are most affected by pollution. This helps them decide where to plant more trees or restrict traffic. During major events like outdoor concerts or sports games, organizers can monitor air quality in real time. This helps them make decisions about whether it's safe for the event to continue. Tempo is also a game changer for industrial regulation. Imagine a factory that claims it's following all environmental rules. With Tempo, regulators can actually see if pollution levels spike when the factory is operating. This makes it much harder for polluters to hide their impact on the environment. But Tempo isn't just for scientists and officials. The data it collects is available to everyone. This means you can check the air quality in your area as easily as checking the weather. It's like having a personal pollution detector right in your pocket. Now you might be wondering, what's next for air quality monitoring? As Tempo continues to collect data, scientists will gain a deeper understanding of how pollution moves and changes over time. This could lead to more accurate pollution forecasts, kind of like weather predictions. Imagine knowing in advance that tomorrow will be a high pollution day so you can plan outdoor activities accordingly. Tempo is also part of a larger trend towards using space technology to monitor Earth's environment. In the future, we might see similar sensors launched to cover other parts of the world. This could give us a truly global picture of air pollution for the first time in history. As we've seen, the Tempo sensor is more than just a cool piece of technology. It's a powerful tool that's helping us understand and combat air pollution like never before. From protecting our health to shaping environmental policy, Tempo is making a real difference in our lives. So next time you take a deep breath, remember, there's a high-tech guardian in space working to keep that air clean. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on how technology is shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and here's to cleaner air for all of us. Check out more at newswade.com